Dogelon Mars really is buy and buy esteemed at $0.00000025. Dogelon Mars cost examination basically is negative today in an especially huge manner. Elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in a genuinely significant manner. Elon's really intraday volume explicitly remains at $1,078,656 in a genuinely large manner. 20 January 2024, in this video we will basically walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, generally is Elon a truly wise interest in a truly significant manner. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so forth, which truly is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Elon specialized examination, in a real sense let us explicitly discuss the really current economic situations, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,634,390,721,246. Truly further appearance how Elon cost streaks, indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which basically is very critical. The very all-out exchanging volume remains at $57,055,176,489 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Sold the especially local coin of Solana explicitly is somewhere around 2.93 and right now exchanging at $91.67, which sort of is genuinely huge. Furthermore, XRP came to 55 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0% in esteem, showing how 20 January 2024, in this video, we will really walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, by and large is Elon an especially wise venture, which generally is very critical. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a truly descending bearing for sort of present moment, showing how Elon's sort of intraday volume in a real sense remains at $1,078,656. As of now, a for the most part broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars most certainly shows that the Elon cost essentially has a very descending development, with a 2.51% lessening in certainly beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin truly is remaining at $0.00000025 with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, or so they really thought. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars in a sort of significant manner. Dogelon Mars basically plays on most certainly a few well-known topics in the image coin space, exhibiting how Dogelon Mars explicitly is buy and buy esteemed at $0.00000025. Dogelon Mars cost examination, in a real sense is negative today in a really significant manner. Its name in every practical sense is a combination of dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who basically is a frank ally of Doge, sort of additional appearance how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. It suggests Mars, a twist on the really popular moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a gigantic vertical development, which truly is genuinely huge. Past its truly whimsical name, Dogelon Mars has in a real sense figured out how to explicitly fabricate a huge local area, with certainly in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and considerably more than 84,000 devotees on message in a really significant manner. Who in every practical sense are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, or so they truly thought. Very much like especially is the situation for its sort of additional conspicuous and certainly more settled cousins, the originators behind this especially specific K9 coin truly are obscure, showing how sold the genuinely local coin of Solana basically is somewhere near 2.93 and as of now exchanging at $91.67, which explicitly is very critical. That explicitly is generally a very normal event for image coins, and financial backers explicitly are all around encouraged truly because of most certainly a reasonable level of investment with semi-secret coins to especially try not to succumb to malignant practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon really has been available for certainly a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, showing that Dogelon Mars for the most part plays on commonly a few well-known subjects in the image coin space. Exhibiting how Dogelon Mars generally is as of now esteemed at $0.0000025 Dogelon Mars cost examination, most certainly is negative today in an especially significant manner. What basically makes Dogelon Mars extremely extraordinary in an exceptionally significant manner? Dogelon Mars really utilizes a silly truly comic story of Dogelon, the K9 giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his in a real sense goes through the stars. Fundamentally a few sort of short comics especially are distributed on the coin's site that for the most part follow Dogelon on his experiences to Mars, where he essentially meets companions and goes on undertakings, which essentially shows that certainly is to some degree a by and large normal event for image coins. And financial backers essentially are very much encouraged most certainly because of genuinely a reasonable level of effort with semi-secret coins to try not to succumb to pernicious practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon certainly has been available for in every practical sense a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, showing that Dogelon Mars for the most part plays on fundamentally a few well-known subjects in the image coin space. Exhibiting how Dogelon Mars essentially is by and by